In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. Bringing your bank transactions into QuickBooks Online is a crucial step in managing your financial records accurately and efficiently. This process can streamline your bookkeeping tasks and help maintain the integrity of your financial data. So, let's dive in and explore these methods step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section, which you can easily find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your starting point for bringing in those essential bank transactions. From here, you have two convenient options to choose from. Either directly connect to your bank or manually download and import your bank transactions. Both methods are effective, so it really comes down to your personal preference. If you decide to connect QuickBooks directly to your bank, start by clicking on the Link Account button. This will bring up a list of banks that QuickBooks supports. You'll select your bank from this list and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. It's a straightforward process, and once it's completed, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions for you. This method is a time saver as it ensures that your records are up to date with minimal effort. Now, if you'd prefer the manual route, you'll need to start by downloading your bank transactions. Make sure to save them as a CSV or Excel file, as these formats are typically supported by QuickBooks. Once you have your file ready, head back to QuickBooks and look for an option to import or upload from a file. This is where you'll begin the manual import process. With your file ready to go, simply drag and drop it from your device into the Upload section. QuickBooks makes it easy by allowing you to just drop the file directly into the upload area. Once your file is uploaded, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm that the data you've uploaded matches the necessary fields in the software. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the data aligns correctly and helps prevent any errors in your records. And there you have it. It's a simple process whether you choose to connect directly to your bank or manually upload your transactions. Either method provides an efficient way to keep your financial records up to date and accurately reflected in QuickBooks Online. Properly importing your transactions can save you time, reduce errors, and help streamline your overall financial management. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. Be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to make the most of QuickBooks and take control of your business finances.